Hi everybody, hope you're having a good day, and the purpose of this video is to be able to help you set up a price update notification through Kayak for your trip to Guatemala. I'm really looking forward to either seeing you again or meeting you this summer in Guatemala. Hopefully you'll be able to set up this price update because they can fluctuate quite a bit. So I like getting this just to be able to kind of have my finger on the pulse of when those prices do drop, since we do have a little bit of time before the summer to be able to make sure we can get a good price to Guatemala. Okay, so first step is to be able to create an account through Kayak. So that should be pretty straightforward, but if you have questions, you can reach out to me, that's fine. So I'm logged into my account here, so I do want to search for flights. So make sure that you are over here on flights. Put in your departing and arriving city. We are flying into Guatemala City. There's an included transfer with tuition that will take you from Guatemala City to your homestay on the day that you arrive. So once you do have your flight information, make sure to get that over to me, Steve Foster, so I can make sure to set up for your transfer. But other than that, once you get logged into Kayak, you're going to go ahead and put in your departing, which for me is Durango, Colorado, going into Guatemala City, and the correct dates. So if you're doing the base program, it's going to be leaving on Sunday, July 3rd and coming back on Saturday, July 16th. There's some people out there that are going to be doing an extension, going to Tikal, etc. So if that's you, let me know and I can tell you what your exact dates are. But I've got the base program here, which is the 3rd to the 16th. Yep, there we go. So I'm going to hit search on that. And it looks like for me, it's coming in at around $463 as the best price, which is actually very good because Durango, Colorado is a fairly small airport. And so I've honestly never seen it this cheap. I'm not ready to commit to it quite yet because I might need to come in a little bit early and stuff like that to help get things set up. But what I do want to do is I want to track the prices. So you'll see over here it says track prices is off, but we want to be able to make it so that's turned on. So we're just going to go ahead and just click that onto on. And then just to double check as far as our notifications right here. So you're going to go into your profile, notifications, and it does say we've got a price alert, which is from Durango to Guatemala City. It's got our dates. You can also adjust your preferences here. So make sure that you're probably selecting off on most of this stuff if you want to avoid excess email. So I did keep a couple of those on, but for the most part, I turned a lot of that off. So it's up to you though. Beware that, they're trying to send out a bunch of marketing and stuff like that. And I will also say that there are probably other sites that do something similar to this. I'm not sure, Expedia, Google Travel, all that stuff, but this is the one that I've been using and it works pretty good just to get a general idea. Once you're ready to purchase, it might make more sense to be able to go over to like the airline's website to purchase. You might save a few bucks that way. Last piece of advice, I would not use Spirit. Spirit Airlines has typically not been that great. I've taken it a couple of times and it's always been pretty bad on the customer service, and also it'll start out as the best fare, but then it will quickly turn out to one of the more expensive ones with all the extra fees that they have. So other than that, thanks for your time and let me know if you have questions. All right, take care.